Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of autoclose on the application of Duolingo. We go to settings, then we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list you will search about the application of Duolingo and you will click. In this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn on your airplane mode and you will turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So that's all, don't forget to support